The Shona letters DY sound like J and G put together phonetically in English. J, G. J, G. Say it with me. J and G together are J, G. J, G. Jga, jge, jgi, jgo, jgu, jga, jga chiropa chembwa, jge, jgembeu, Dyidzana, jgo, jgu, jga, gaka, jge, jgenyama, jgi, Dyidzano, jgo, jgora, jgu, jgunga, juga, juga, nyika rutivi, jge, jgembeu, jgi, jgiro, jgo, jgora hope, jgu, Jackson, Jga, Jge, Jgi, Jgo, Jgu. That's all for today's lesson. But did you know Sarura Kids has the ultimate Shona learning pack available on Thinkific? Find the link on our social media platforms or on Sarura Kids' YouTube channel.